Good morning, students. Welcome to classes on agricultural economics. Today, we will be dealing with factor product relationship. What is a factor product relationship? We can derive its meaning from the term itself, factor product relationship. Here, factor refers to inputs and product refers to output. So, factor product relationship is basic production relationship between inputs and output. So, factor product relationship is a basic production relationship between input and output. And this relationship is mainly concerned with resource use and its efficiency. It also acts as a guide to the producer in deciding as to how much to produce. So every producer faces the question how much to produce. What is the optimum level of input that should be used? And what is the optimum level of output that should be produced? These are the questions faced by a typical producer. And factor product relationship help the producer in solving these questions. So farmers, as a producer, has a given goal clearly cut out with his inputs or resources at his disposal. So farmers have limited resources. They usually use resources like seeds, fertilizers, human labor, and so on in order to produce outputs like rice, sugarcane, jute, cotton, and so on. So farmers usually have limited resources and they have clear cut goal with these resources. See, with the goal of farmers are using the limited resources, they wishes to earn maximum profit. That is their goal. So in order to earn maximum profit, they put their resources into a process called production. So in the production process, the inputs are converted or inputs are transformed into outputs. That is production process. So input get transformed itself into output. So the main inputs used by farmers are fertilizers, seeds, pesticides, and human labor. And these inputs get transformed to output or crops. So farmers, they put their limited resources into production process and convert their input or resources into output. So they usually wish to earn maximum profit from this production process. So here farmers have to decide on how much to produce, how much input should be used. And these questions are basic production questions, and these questions are answered with the help of factor product relationship. So factor product relationship is very essential, or it acts as guide to farmers in deciding as how much to produce and how much input should to be used. So factor product relationship is a basic relationship that helps farmers to decide on how much to produce and how much input to use. Now let me ask you a question. How can you represent factor product relationship mathematically? Factor product relationship can be mathematically expressed using production function. We know that factor product relationship is a basic production relationship. So basic production function can represent factor product relationship or input output relationship. So here I have written production function. Y is a function of x, x2, x3, etc., xn. Here I have considered only one or a single variable input, and the only variable input is x. and x2, x3, etc., xn are fixed variables or fixed resources. So y is the output. Y is the output from a particular enterprise. That is, if you are considering jute production, then jute's output is y, and the inputs used are x, x2, x3, etc., xn. Here x is the only variable input, and x2, x3, etc., xn are fixed inputs or fixed resources. So y is a function of x, x2, x3, etc., xn. So this is a basic production function, and this production function represents factor product relationship or input output relationship.